So y'all, I made some cauliflower potato salad yesterday using this mayo right here. Plant-based mayo. And let me just tell you, it wasn't nasty, but it just wasn't to my liking. So I am going to redo this today, and we're gonna see how this turns out. But I had to redeem myself with this potato salad, cauliflower potato salad. It just wasn't doing it.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cauliflower potato salad. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, I have some cauliflower potato salad. When I tell y'all this is bomb, listen, I was unsure about it, but I made it. Again, I mentioned it in the first part of the video. I did say that I attempted to make this yesterday and I used the wrong mayo because I'm always using Hellmann's. I used the Hellmann's vegan spread. So that's like the best one for me, except for the Vegenaise or Vegenaise, however you pronounce it. That one is good too, made by Follow Your Heart. But anyway, so I redid it because I just wasn't pleased with what I made yesterday. So I did it the right way with the right mayo this time. And when I tell y'all, because you know you got to taste your food as you cooking. But right here, listen. So today I went out and got the right mayo that I always use. Me trying to be cheap. Yesterday, getting the Simply Truth. That's Harris Teeter brand. But today I'm going to be using my Hellmann's cauliflower and the peppers. And I have some other stuff that I'm going to put in there. So when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what it tastes like. Alright, you guys, I got the water on. I'm going to place the cauliflower on top and let these steam for about 10 minutes or until they're fork tender, to where you can stick a fork in and then it's tender enough. So I'll see you guys when they're done. And also make sure you cover it while the cauliflower is steaming. Alright, you guys, the cauliflower is ready. Now I'm going to remove this and let this cool off. Alright, you guys, I got the peppers cut up. I got the jalapeños, the green peppers, and the red peppers. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and add in my peppers. Got some celery salt. Dill, paprika, some Dijon mustard, some Hellmann's vegan mayo. Clean the spoon off. I'm just gonna put a little mayo in there at a time because I don't want it to be too creamy. I may have to change my spoon though, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna see what this is gonna do. And adjust any seasonings that I need to adjust. I'm gonna go ahead and taste that. I'm gonna use a larger bowl so this won't be getting all over my counter, but give this a good mix. Now, I don't really need to add any more mayo to this, but I am, because it may soak up once I put it in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna get another spoon so I can scoop out some more mayo. But it tastes good already, you guys. Just a little bit. And when I tell you this is very simple to make, especially if you're looking for low carbs. Again, I made it yesterday. I just used the wrong mayo. That's Simply Truth by Harris Teeter. I think that's their brand. I had tried it one time before when I was making some vegan turkey sandwiches, and I kind of didn't like it then, so I don't know what made, I know what made me buy it, because I was being cheap yesterday. They had it on sale for $3.49, so that's what I get. So that's why. So, all right, this is mixed up well, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let this get a chill to it. Probably about 20 minutes or so, and then it's gonna be ready. But this is what it looks like, you guys. And once I get it out the refrigerator, I'm going to show it to you. All right, you guys, there you have it. Cauliflower potato salad. And when I tell you it's bomb, you guys got to try it out.
Today's gonna be a good day.